Hello students. In previous video, we discussed about image formation by concave mirror. Now, in this video, we will discuss about image formation by convex mirror. This is convex mirror. As you know, convex mirror is bulging outwards and it is a diverging mirror. Its pole is the midpoint of the mirror. Its focus and center of curvature, they are present behind the mirror. You can see that focus is present behind the mirror. Now, there are only two conditions. First is if object is placed at infinity. If object is placed at infinity, we know that infinity means very far. So the rays coming from infinity will be parallel to principal axis. So let's draw the diagram, ray diagram. This is the ray which is parallel to principal axis, another ray which is parallel to principal axis, and these two rays fall on the surface of mirror. As you know that it is a diverging mirror. It diverges and this ray appears as it is coming from the focus. ऐसा लगेगा ये कि ये focus से ray आ रही है. You can see that this is incident ray. जैसे ये strike करेगी it reflect back. But अगर आप इसको extend करेंगे backward direction में, then it appears that it is coming from focus. In the same way, this ray which is parallel to principal axis, it diverges and it appears as it is coming from focus. So the image is formed. We know that where two rays actually meet or appear to meet, then image is formed at that point. So these two reflected rays, they appear to meet at this point focus. So position of the image will be at focus. Image is formed at focus. Size is highly diminished. बहुत ही छोटी image बनेगी. Highly diminished image is formed. And nature, as this image is formed behind the mirror and the rays are not actually meeting, so this image will be virtual. Virtual image is always erect. Virtual and erect image is formed in this condition. Second is if the object is placed between infinity and pole. As you know, this mirror has focus and center of curvature on this left side of the mirror. Right side of the mirror. Mirror के right side पर focus और center of curvature है. So that's why there are only two conditions possible. One, object is at infinity. Second, object is placed between infinity and pole. इस pole और इधर infinity तक, इनके बीच में कहीं पर भी आप object रख सकते हैं. And now apply first rule. First rule is ray parallel to principal axis will diverge and it appears as it is coming from focus. ये diverge हो रही है और dotted line से इसको पीछे की तरफ extend करेंगे. So it appears that it is coming from focus. Second rule we apply, we know that this object and center of curvature, इनको आपको meet कराना है and the ray which passing from center of curvature, अगर ray इस position पे आ रही है, इस angle पे आ रही है, तो it appears as it is coming from center of curvature. So this ray is incident ray and we know that it will move back along the same path वी नो दैट दिस रूल कि अगर रे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पर आएगी तो इसी पाथ पे वापस जाएगी. दिस रे इज नॉट एक्चुअली कमिंग टूवर्ड्स सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इट appears as it is coming from center of curvature. These two rays are meeting at this point. यहाँ पर virtual erect image is formed. Position of the images between pole and focus. Pole is this, pole और focus के बीच में, between pole and focus. Size कैसा दिख रहा है? Object is larger and the image is smaller, so size is diminished. Diminished means smaller image. Nature, again, because image is formed behind the mirror and rays are not actually meeting. Rays actual में meet नहीं कर रही हैं. Rays are appearing to meet, that's why virtual image is formed. And you can see that this image is erect also. Virtual erect image is formed in this situation. Thank you.